Hi, how are you? It's Ching and it's Qigong day. So last video, I uploaded Fortify energy. That's in Chinese we say Fortify Qi, right? Qi means energy, and part 1. So this is part 2. So if this is the first time you join me, you can see the end screen, and I will show you the part 1. And last year I had done the whole thing already in one big chunk. So this year I'm thinking, let me break it down a little bit so it's easier for you to have time to practice before you go into the next part. So that's why we separate into parts for you. The first part, the Fortified Qigong part 1, is the fortified energy, the fortified Qi is actually the third set of the contemporary Qigong that I developed. The contemporary Qigong that I developed actually have 5 sets. See, we're moving to the third set already. So we're learning how to really bring the fundamental when you practice Qigong and anything. Running, all this modern exercise also Qigong too. It's just more power, like cardio. It's more yang, right? Vibrant. And but then we don't have yin, so it's not the YNG, so we're not balanced off. So we try to balance everything off. And also we have more vocabulary, more choices when you start exercise, especially after you have joint, hip replace, all this stuff. You can think, oh, how can I take care of this body? I have a second chance. So you're gonna learn more things now. Okay, so the Fortified Qigong. Last week we did everything bilaterally. Bilaterally means both arms moving at the same time, and the legs too, they work together. Today I'm gonna break down, there's part 3 too. So we're gonna do unilateral, that's mean one side at a time and alternating, okay? So let's quick review this. The arm, this joint, right, is very, very free. You hear people say, I dislocate my shoulder, right? So because it's so free, the socket in the shoulder is not like the hip. It's very nice, right? Encase it together. This is really shallow, so it's really easy if you're born with hypermobile joint. That means the ligament is very loose. It's easy to pop out. So how are you gonna fix that? It's actually use the muscle, strengthen the muscle to hold that socket in the right place, and so muscle will step in to help you. So I'm trying to really have you understand how to use this joint properly by activating the muscles, not the ligament that's contortionist, right? Which is good. Sometimes we're born that way. Then you have to even focus more how to use your muscle, just like the Cirque du Soleil. And when they do all this beautiful movement, it used to be called contour, but they do it so well because they really had a great training how to use the muscle to develop a beautiful flow into a little bit extreme posture, right? So it's okay. We don't have to do extreme. We just honor this body what we can do the best we can, so it become more functional. Okay, so quickly, I'm gonna review the arm bilaterally first. Then I show you the unilateral. Okay, then we put together with the body and leg. So here, bilateral, remember we cross the arm together in front of you. See right here, I'm start rotating in the shoulder joint. So I spiral the energy out like I'm flying, then I'm coming down. So that's just the arm, inhale. So you move so beautiful. So I really use that rotator cuff, this medially rotate, and comes in. So when I cross my arm like this, I slightly laterally rotate in the shoulder joint, my scapula never go up. So right, so your shoulder never go up. So you don't want to crowd your neck when you do this. Okay, I showed it the wrong way. This, right? I did not use my arm, so I use my scapula, right? Your shoulder is supposed to stay where the shoulder is, so you look good. You don't walk like this, do you, right? We don't want to, right? So here we go. So if you play tennis, you don't want to do that either, because you're supposed to use your arm to swing the racket, right? Not the mid trap and upper trap. So you have to know how to recruit the right muscle. There's a lot of video I have already. You can make it check the well-behaved scapula. You can find that video. You learn more. I have to focus what's going on today. Okay, so ready? Now we're going to reverse that movement. So that's me. I'm going to fly up. I'm going to fly. So the Mother Earth energy help me float up. See, I start rotate in that shoulder joint. Start rotate. Elbows forward, palm facing me. So I bring the energy from the heaven and I inviting them comes down to the Mother Earth. Once you get the Mother Earth, you fly up. You use the energy and you lay, right? You fly up a little bit. You rotate in the shoulder joint. The whole arm rotate. See how wide it is? Now here, see my shoulder just went up. And right, neck is like, oh my good, I'm so happy. Stop crowding me all the time, texting, driving, right? Computer and biking. So why are we get so much stress? People say, my tension is always, I say, I know, because we don't know how to use our body. So you're gonna learn how, okay? So don't raise your shoulder. We're gonna build that deltoid, that muscle, that deltoid, front, middle, and back, okay? That's why I have all this movement. So that's bilaterally. How you change that to unilateral, I'm gonna face you today so you can see. A lot of movement we do is front, back, so north, south, east, and west. Today, we're gonna do one arm so it becomes spiral. We're gonna go to corner. So you have northwest corner, northeast, southwest, southeast. Oh my God. Okay, so you ready? You're fine. So if you're in the room, you can just see corner, front, corner, back. It's easy. Okay. Yes, it is easy. Practice makes it easy. Okay, so my right arm going to the left corner. I will turn around to this later. So right now, I just want you to see the front. So the right arm to the left side, right? Just like this, but it's one arm scooping up. You open the chest, you rotate the torso. You reach in the opposite corner in the back. So now my body's here, I'm ready, set up. See, I love spiral movement because it seamlessly connect together. One down, one up. You rotate the torso, keep rooted down. One more time, inhale and exhale. Okay, so I'm not going to do too many times. You can review again, you watch again. So now back, because there's so much to do. And then rotate from the back corner to the front corner of the room. That's right. So soon put down, the right arm, so my turn. I'm going to back corner and I follow my body. The arm's not the one moving, okay? The arm follow the torso. And you say, bring the energy down. One more. From the back corner, so south, seam the shoulder open. And rotate the body. So external oblique, rotate your torso. Comes down. Last one. The right one says, my turn. And rotate and comes down. So that's how you use the arm with the spine rotation. Now we're going to add the body to it. So remember the three fundamental focus: rooting, spine movement with the reverse downward breathing. Okay, so put it together. So this is the complete today's focus. So you ready? Here you go. We're not doing horse dance, right? So 5 checkpoint, right? Legs parallel position. Your feet same width as your hip socket. You're ready. Here you go. On the inhale, a hollow tummy, my spine's moving. I'm going to scoop up some low. I'm scooping up Mother Earth energy. Okay, connect with the heaven. Fly away together, harmonize. Inhale again, I'm scooping the Mother Earth energy. I'm scooping up beautiful flower. Connect to the heaven energy. And then we fly together. Open the chest, feels so good. And inhale, so this is called a flexion of the spine, right? Now you rotate the spine, softly extend, free away. And the inhale again, hollow your tummy. Push down, scooping up. And open, release down. Okay, you ready? Reverse. Inhale, I'm going to go from the back corner. And the Mother Earth energy floats me up. I'm going to gather the energy from the heaven, connect back. Bring back to the Mother Earth so you can use the energy again. Floats up and connect with the heaven energy and slowly comes down. always through you, right? You're the one, you use your mind, your body, creating beautiful, beautiful, fortified energy, strong and what? And vibrant. Inhale, push. You're strong and vibrant, fortified. And return, come here, and standing up. I'm going to do one more set away from you so you see back. You can see now my right side is your right, my left is your left, okay? The front corner and the back corner, so it's a little, hopefully it's a little easier. So we're going to start from here, the right hand, okay? So you ready? I'm going to bend my knee, hollow my tummy, rotate the torso. I'm scooping and the front corner to the opposite corner, open the chest. When you come down, you soften the spine. This is inhale. Coming all the way up. Exhale, open the chest, rotate. Come down, all the way down. So inhale again, tummy in, up. Exhale, open and release down. Inhale again, tummy in, open that lower back up. Exhale, open and release softly down. Reverse, you ready? Left arm, inhale, tummy in, push down. All the way up. Exhale, thank you. And again, inhale, tummy in, push. From the back corner to opposite front corner and release down. One more time. Inhale. Rotate and release down. Last one this side, inhale. And exhale, release down. Okay, and then you slowly push down, unroll to come back up. So that's today's work. So gradually you do bilaterally, unilaterally, then we're going to add in the lunge to it. So little by little, fortify more, fortify more, fortify more. So the ideal, every time you want to learn something, right? You watch first, right? You watch first. Then you practice with the second time you watch. Or you can just follow along, okay? So learning is really amazing. So you say, some people say, I'm born, or, well, Mary born with a nice voice. Yeah, but if Mary never had a what? Nurture, right? Teacher teaching her how to use it, she can't what? Come above what she really have. A gift is just a gift, but you have to use. The same thing, right? Oh, I went to Mary's house. She made this amazing dinner. I said, Mary, please give me that recipe. I love it. I love it. Okay, Mary said, okay, I'll share the recipe. I go home, I make it. The first time I say, not so good. Okay, but I still gonna do because I tasted before. I want to get to that level. So I'm price finding. You know, maybe a month later say, Mary, I finally got it and I love it. I'm gonna keep this recipe in my repertoire when I'm cooking or when I have guests. So same thing. You're watching the video, right? It's that taste. If you want to learn properly, I have workshop in my studio. You come and learn it properly. But this is for inspiring you to learn. There are other ways to exercise, very, very important. So all the spine movement, why? You are massaging your internal organ. It goes so much deeper. And the mind has to be there. So everything you practice is start with what? Focus. Okay? There's now another word for that. It's called mindfulness. I love the word focus because to me it's easy to understand. And I was a dancer. I always, mind, body, always together, just like the yin and yang sign, right? There's two parts. Daytime, nighttime, even walking, you see? When I put my foot down, that's the yang, Y-A-N-G. This is the yin. The yin becomes yang. So it comes moving. That's why it's inside the what? A circle. You didn't put in a triangle. So this constant. So you learn something, you experience, right? I got a recipe. If I don't experience making it, it will never be. So that's how we're learning. You see something great, you have a talent, you have to nourish yourself. So hopefully someday I see you in my studio for workshop. I will just Still the situation a little scary, and hopefully people start traveling. So I'm really happy about that because the COVID, and we're gonna get there, right? The most important thing is have a great immune system, and stay focused what's good, and also my book is coming out. Hopefully next video I can hold my book to showing you guys and get more information. I will let you know in the future how when the workshop happens, how to order my book, all this stuff, okay? The beauty about my book, there's a QR code inside. You can tap it and you can watch a lot of video that's not published right now. It's only YouTube, but it's not really published until you get the book, you push out. So my book is more like a textbook, right? Has a lot of information. Hopefully you'll like it. So, but that's it for today. I will see you next video, and keep practicing makes it better, and open your mind to learn and enjoy life. Okay, take good care. Bye.